Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is a remote-controlled airplane designed for adult enthusiasts. It is a 6-channel, 6ch warbird with a wingspan of 1,700 mm, 66.9 inch, providing an impressive and realistic flying experience. The model replicates the iconic P-51 Mustang, known for its distinctive red tail and wartime history. Key features include functional flaps, LED lights, and retractable landing gear, adding to the scale realism of the aircraft. These features allow for smoother flight controls, more maneuverability, and better visibility, especially in low-light conditions. The plane is constructed from durable materials, ensuring it can handle the rigors of RC flying, making it a great choice for experienced pilots. This P-51 Mustang model is sold as a P&P, plug-and-play, version, meaning that it comes almost ready to fly, but you will need to provide your own radio, battery, and charger. This gives users the flexibility to customize the setup according to their preferences and requirements. It is essential to have the right equipment, as these components are not included in the package. With its striking design, scale detailing, and powerful performance capabilities, the FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is ideal for adult hobbyists looking for a challenging yet rewarding RC flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or looking to step up your skills, this model offers high-quality construction and excellent flight characteristics. Overall, the FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is a great option for anyone seeking a realistic and thrilling RC airplane, providing a balance of performance, aesthetics, and ease of use, especially for intermediate to advanced pilots. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a remote-controlled aircraft designed for beginners, kids, and adults, offering a user-friendly flying experience. With a wingspan of 500 mm, this 4-channel, 4ch, plane is ideal for those looking to get into the world of RC flying. It is sold as a ready-to-fly, RTF, model, meaning it comes with everything you need to start flying, including a transmitter and battery, so there's no need for additional purchases to get started. Key features of the Sport Cub include a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which helps keep the plane stable during flight, making it easier for beginners to control. The gyro system ensures smoother flight and enhances maneuverability, reducing the risk of crashing for novice pilots. Additionally, the plane offers 3 flying modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually improve their flying skills and adjust the level of difficulty as they gain confidence. The RC plane is equipped with a propeller saver, which helps protect the propeller during landings and crashes, making it more durable for beginners who might make a few mistakes while learning. Its lightweight design and durable construction further contribute to its suitability for beginner pilots. The Sport Cub is designed to provide an enjoyable, hassle-free flying experience, whether you're just starting or have some experience with remote-controlled aircraft. The bright red color adds to its visibility, especially when flying at a distance. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an excellent choice for anyone looking to learn how to fly RC planes, offering stability, ease of use, and the versatility to grow with the pilot's skills. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, BNF Basic, is an advanced remote-controlled aircraft designed for hobbyists who want a versatile and exciting flying experience. This model comes in a bind-and-fly (BNF) configuration, meaning it includes everything needed for flying, except for the transmitter, battery, and charger, which are sold separately. This gives users the flexibility to customize the setup with their preferred equipment. One of the standout features of the Turbo Timber is its incorporation of AS3X and Safe Select technology, which enhance stability and safety during flight. AS3X, Artificial Stabilization, 3-axis, provides a smoother and more stable flight by compensating for wind and turbulence, making it easier to control the aircraft. Safe Select is a flight mode that offers additional protection, preventing pilots from pushing the plane beyond its limits by restricting excessive roll, pitch, and yaw, which is especially helpful for newer pilots. The 1.5-meter wingspan allows for great maneuverability and smooth flight, whether you're flying in tight spaces or open fields. The aircraft also comes with floats, making it capable of flying off water, adding another layer of versatility for pilots who enjoy seaplane experiences. The durable construction ensures the plane can withstand rough landings, while the scale-like design adds a realistic touch to your flying sessions. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is perfect for pilots who are looking for a fun and adaptable aircraft. With the advanced stabilization systems, a wingspan that balances performance and handling, and the ability to take off from water, it is a fantastic choice for both intermediate and experienced hobbyists. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a 2-channel remote-controlled airplane designed for beginners, kids, and adults who are looking to start their journey in RC flying. This glider-style aircraft is built with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, ensuring smoother flight and increased stability. The gyro system helps correct the plane's orientation during flight, making it easier for beginners to control and reducing the likelihood of crashes, even when flying in windy conditions. Made from durable EPP, expanded polypropylene foam, the FX803 is lightweight yet sturdy, able to withstand rough landings and minor crashes, making it an excellent choice for novice pilots. The 2.4G remote control provides reliable communication between the plane and the transmitter, ensuring a stable and interference-free connection. This frequency allows multiple users to fly their planes in the same area without signal issues. The plane is easy to assemble and is ready to fly once the battery is charged. Its simple controls make it an ideal choice for first-time RC aircraft pilots, helping them learn the basics of flying while enjoying a stress-free experience. The glider design ensures smooth and stable flight characteristics, perfect for beginners looking to practice their skills in open spaces. Overall, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is an affordable and user-friendly option for those who are just starting with RC planes. Its gyro stabilization, durable construction, and simple controls offer a great introduction to the hobby, providing an enjoyable experience for both kids and adults. Whether you're flying for fun or looking to develop your flying abilities, this model is a great choice for beginners. Number 5. Leanby Remote Control Aircraft. The Leanby Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a versatile RC plane designed for both kids and adults, offering a fun and user-friendly flying experience. This model features 3 flight modes, making it suitable for pilots of varying skill levels. The different modes allow beginners to practice with a simpler control setup, while more experienced users can enjoy advanced maneuvering for greater control and excitement. One of the key features of the Leanby RC plane is its ability to easily perform U-turns, which is a helpful function for beginners who may struggle with turning the aircraft smoothly. The plane's design ensures that it is easy to navigate and manage, reducing the likelihood of crashes and helping pilots build confidence in their flying abilities. The plane is constructed with durable, lightweight materials that make it resilient to impact, allowing it to withstand rough landings. This durability is especially beneficial for beginners who might not yet have perfect control. Additionally, the easy-to-use controls and responsive steering make it enjoyable for pilots of all ages, from kids looking to have fun to adults who want a more relaxing flying experience. The Leanby RC aircraft is compact and portable, making it convenient for flying in various locations such as parks, fields, or open spaces. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the plane is designed to be stable and controllable, allowing for smooth flight and making it an excellent option for those just starting with remote-controlled aircraft. In summary, the LEMBI remote control aircraft plane is a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy RC flying. Its 3 flight modes, U-turn capability, and durable construction provide an easy and enjoyable experience for both kids and adults. It's perfect for those new to the hobby or anyone seeking a stress-free, fun flying experience.